The COVID-19 pandemic has delayed hearings for many cases in Mobile County due to the protocols that have been implemented to keep visitors and staff safe. While the policies are meant to stop the spread, families impacted by crime say it's made the fight for justice even longer. Megan Mackey spoke to Mobile County's top judge about the frustrations and how a recent surge is forcing them to reimpose restrictions.
Yeah, when vaccines started being administered, court officials were hopeful that things would return to somewhat normal. But now that there's a rise in COVID-19 cases, restrictions are back in place, meaning some cases could be even further delayed.
We're back to what we were doing at the start of the fall of the pandemic.
It's back to masks, hand sanitizing, and social distancing at Government Plaza. The restrictions reimposed after a huge spike in COVID-19 cases in Mobile County. Most significantly, half of the county's 8 circuit judges will hold trials in a given week, 2 criminal and 2 civil, less to allow adequate social distancing.
The court system, we're summoning people. We're making them come to court, either as parties to the case, as litigants, or as witnesses. Last week there were 24 deaths in Mobile County, and one of them was the brother-in-law of my judicial assistant.
The rise in cases hitting close to home for Judge Youngpeter. While many understand the restrictions being re-implemented, some families say they're frustrated with how long it's taking to get justice.
It's a disservice to the family. I don't think that any case of this magnitude should take this amount of time due to the severity of the facts. My son being murdered, attempted murder, and just the facts surrounding the case. This is a long time for justice.
Judge Youngpeter says he hears people's frustrations, but says the reality is that there isn't a backlog of cases.
The notion that there's some huge backlog in the court system right now is just not true. I have less pending cases now than I did prior to the pandemic. Really, the only cases that are not proceeding forward right now are capital death cases.
Judge Youngpeter says they will continue to monitor the number of COVID-19 cases locally and lift restrictions when they feel it is safe to do so. Reporting outside Government Plaza, I'm Megan Mackey for WKRG News 5.